Okay, let's start parabolas review. And first of all, let's identify all the elements for vertical parabolas. When you have a vertical parabola, that means that you will have a directrix Remember, if it is horizontal, it's going to be y equals something, and the axis of symmetry is going to be x equals something, but that something is h from the vertex. You have the axis of symmetry and you have the directrix. Remember, the directrix is the same distance from the focus to the vertex and from the vertex to the directrix. And this represents the parameter. After that, you will find that your parabola opens upwards because your directrix is at the bottom, and you need to have a line that passes through the focus, and this will be the latus rectum. Latus rectum equals the absolute value of 4p, or 4 parameters. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 elements. Remember, the vertex is going to be h, k. So remember, the x value of the vertex is the x on the axis of symmetry. And finally, remember that the main and the range is not necessary, but it's going to be extra points for you. The main is all possible values for x's, and that means real numbers. And the range is from the vertex, the value of k, comma, to the positive infinite. Now, the equation for this one is going to be like this. Since you have two x's for the same y, you need x squared, or x minus h squared, equals 4 parameters, or latus rectum, times y minus k. This is your equation when you have a parabola that opens upwards. It's the same thing when you have the other way around. The directrix now I will write at the top. And remember, if it is directrix, if it is horizontal, that means that it will be y equals something. And the axis of symmetry is a perpendicular line to it, so axis of symmetry is going to be x equals, again, the value of h from your vertex. Now you will have here the vertex, and with the same distance you will find the focus. But this one, as I told you in the class, we are going to use it with a negative sign, representing the direction of the parabola, because it will open downwards. So here you will have something like this. I did this too long, it's not necessarily that long. And this line, the line that passes through the focus, is the latus rectum. And remember, the latus rectum equals the absolute value of 4p. Now, the domain for this one, again, you will have real numbers. And the range, remember, we start from the negative, so negative infinite, comma, the value of k of your vertex. Remember, this is h, k. And now, for this one, the equation is going to be, again, we have two x's for the same y. So it's x squared or x minus h squared equals 4, but don't forget to write here a minus because of the direction of the parabola, times y minus k. And that's it.